Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus hands-on video leaked online appears to give us a glimpse of the upcoming flagship device, which is tipped to launch next month.
The new smartphone appears to have ultra-thin bezels, significantly thinner than on the Galaxy S20 Plus.
The Galaxy S21 Plus hands-on video also shows the phone with a prominent camera bump at the back.
In addition to the new video, some details about the accessories of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, as well as Galaxy S21 and the Galaxy S21 Ultra, have been allegedly leaked on the web.
Storage variants and color options of the Galaxy S21 series have also been tipped.
Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus purported hands-on video YouTube channel Random Stuff 2 has posted a hands-on video purportedly showing the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus.
The over 4-minute video shows the upcoming Samsung flagship with model number SMG996U. The video suggests that the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus will have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC variant, as the clip shows the phone running Geekbench 5 benchmark tests that highlight Lahaina as the chipset, which is believed to be a code name for the latest Snapdragon chip. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus in the video gets a single-core score of 1115 and a multi-core score of 3326. These are higher than the scores leaked for a Samsung Galaxy S21 unit recently. But Samsung could bring some optimizations and refinements to the final Galaxy S21 Plus that might alter the test results.
The new phone is also said to deliver a full day of heavy usage on a single charge.
The design of the supposed Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus unit in the video looks quite similar to the recently leaked renders of the phone. It has thin bezels and a hole-punch display that Samsung calls Infinity O display. At the back, the phone has a matte black finish and a camera bump is clearly visible. There are also 3 camera sensors, all of which have also been tipped to come with the regular Galaxy S21 model. On the right, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus in the video seems to have physical buttons. The left side, however, seems to be all plain. The narrator in the hands-on video also says that there was some color saturation on the phone. Samsung Galaxy S21 series accessories expected alongside the hands-on video, details about the accessories expected with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, as well as the Galaxy S21 and the Galaxy S21 Ultra, have been leaked by MySmartPrice in collaboration with tipster Ishan Agarwal.
Samsung is said to bring many cover options for the Galaxy S21 series, including clear view cover, LED view cover, silicone case, leather cover, protective standing cover, clear protective cover, clear standing cover, and a clear cover.
The Galaxy S21 Plus and the Galaxy S21 Ultra are also said to receive a special smart Quadrat case in mint and violet.
The Galaxy S21 Ultra in the new lineup is also rumored to have S Pen support and include a slot for the same.
However, the S Pen won't be bundled with the phone, as per the latest leak. This is unlike the Galaxy Note series that comes with an in-box S Pen stylus. Samsung is also expected to offer an S Pen and silicon case combo for the Galaxy S21 Ultra.
Further, the company is reported to offer some discount on chargers for the Galaxy S21 series.
This could be to compensate removing the charger and earbuds from the retail boxes of the new flagships, as claimed by previous reports. Tipster Agarwal also says that Samsung could bring a 30W charger. Additionally, WinFuture has reported that the Galaxy S21 Ultra will have special versions of Samsung Silicone and Samsung Clearview covers, both along with an S Pen stylus.
Samsung Galaxy S21 series storage variants, color options expected. The WinFuture report has also leaked the storage variants and color options of the Galaxy S21 series.
Both the Galaxy S21 and the Galaxy S21 Plus are said to have 128GB and 256GB storage variants. However, while the Galaxy S21 is rumored to have grey, white, pink, and purple color options, the Galaxy S21 Plus is said to have silver, black, and purple shades. The Galaxy S21 Ultra, on the other hand, is reported to come in 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB storage options, with silver and black color versions. It is important to note that the reported storage variants and color options are said to be of the Galaxy S21 models coming to Germany. Therefore, some differences are possible in variants that launch in other global markets. Samsung is speculated to launch the Galaxy S21 series on January 14th. We can expect more leaks about the upcoming models in the near future.
Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button to never miss an update.